Understanding, take a new turn, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, take a new turn. This phrase is commonly used in both spoken and written English, and understanding its meaning and usage can really help in everyday conversations. Let's dive in and unravel the mystery of this interesting expression. Take a new turn is an idiomatic expression that means a change in a situation or a series of events. When this phrase is used, it often implies that there is a significant or unexpected change in how things are progressing. It can refer to both positive and negative changes, depending on the context. To understand how this phrase is used, let's look at some examples. 1. After the new CEO was appointed, the company's strategy took a new turn, focusing more on digital innovation. 2. The discussion took a new turn when Mia brought up an alternative solution to the problem. In these sentences, take a new turn is used to describe a notable change in direction or approach. While using take a new turn, it's important to avoid common mistakes. Remember, it's not used to describe minor changes or routine developments. It's about significant shifts. Also, it's a metaphorical expression and not meant to be taken literally. There are several synonyms that can be used in place of take a new turn. Some of these include take a different direction, go down a new path, change course. I hope this explanation helps you understand the phrase, take a new turn, and how you can use it effectively in your English conversations. It's a great phrase to add to your vocabulary, especially when discussing changes and new developments. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more English language tips. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every new phrase you learn is a step forward. Keep practicing,